Speed. How much did we distort?
No, I cranked it back down. The first one distorted, but I cranked it back down for the others.
Decibels.